Blocking out times on Calendly allows you to control your availability by preventing others from booking appointments during specific periods. Here's how to do it. Log into Calendly. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Go to Event Types. From the main dashboard, navigate to the Event Type section. Select the event type you want to edit or create a new one by clicking plus New Event Type. Set availability. Click on the When People Can Book This Event option. Here, you can customize your availability by selecting the days and times you are available for meetings. Block out times. To block out specific times, scroll to the Custom Hours section. Click on the days you want to modify and select Add Time to specify the hours you are available. To block out a time, simply leave that time slot unselected. Additionally, you can set up buffer times before and after events, preventing back-to-back bookings. Save changes. Once you have adjusted your availability and blocked out the desired times, click Save and Close to apply your changes. Review your calendar. It's helpful to double-check your availability to ensure that your schedule reflects the blocks you've set.